It's the first time, and it's an honor for Cegedim to be present at the FIAR conference. I would like to present you our activity and also the reason why we want to be present there. First, I think that private health insurance is a real opportunity in Romania, and I observe that there is some interesting debate about it. The second, I want to share with you our vision of how technology can support health insurance. And on the third part, I want to tell you how constraints become an advantage for us to deliver health management systems through all over the world. So, let's start. So let's start with an overview of Cegedim. Cegedim is a major and innovative technology company focused on health, providing management software solution to health insurance and healthcare provider. That's a global and quite unique expertise, allowing us to provide our solution on the health management ecosystem, from the payers organization to the providers. In terms of some figures, Cegedim is a $500 million company with a presence in 11 countries and with 3,600 employees. Cegedim has been founded 47 years old ago, and it's listed on the Paris Stock Exchange and implemented in 11 countries, including in Romania with an healthcare solution activities providing software to physicians and pharmacists, and with a market share of 30%. Globally, we have more than 200 health insurers. Our system is supporting over than 45 million beneficiaries, and we provide also solutions to more than 300,000 healthcare providers. So, let me present you that core business and specifically our ecosystems on it. This is our offer, and that ecosystem could be split in 4 categories. We have solutions for public and private health insurance. We have solutions to interconnect payers to providers. We also have solutions for healthcare providers, and we are European leader on that activity. And the fourth one, which is not on that picture, is we also provide solution for data center with the appropriate certification on health and application on data health protection and security. So, maybe let me come back on that platform for health insurance. That platform allowing us to have different categories of client. And we have domestic insurers operating and brokers operating, managing operation and regulation. But we have also multi-country health insurance managing on the same platform different local regulation, different tax, different language, different currency. And that needs a lot of configurability to do it. We also have EPMI, international insurance operating for expat type of business. That needs also a lot of configurability. For example, on that business, you can denominate the product on one currency, sell it on another currency, receive claims invoice on another currency, and adjudicate it on the denominated currency and make the payment on another currency. So it's quite complex and need the support of the technology, of course, and very flexible technology. And we have also on that range of private health insurance solution for TPA, with a specific range of services in claims. That's a dedicated and very flexible platform that we have on the private health insurance. And we have also a dedicated platform for healthcare government fund. That's our core. So, as I said in the introduction, I want to share with you what a health insurance needs from technology to support health insurance. So, first, health insurance needs flexible solution. Of course, you need to solution that can be able to be fully integrated with a lot of automation, but also with a modular construction. And that allows us to have a different size of client from small insurers to tier 1 insurers. Speed to market, that's a key point for innovation. And also, to have that speed to market, that reactivity, our system needs to be highly configurable without any IT development. In terms of high level of automation for core processes, it's our goal in front of the market to focus on the way to deliver the highest automation systems. And because health insurance needs a lot of productivity to manage it. So, cost containment capability. I should say that specifically in health insurance management, claims is not an hazard. So you need to be productive on that activity with dematerialization, with automation, with business process management, with workflow, with efficiency measurement of your team. Reducing fraud, that's an interesting subject and quite an universal topics that where FIAR has a very different approach. And I should say maybe as an example that in Switzerland, fraud is an inappropriate behavior, but in the Middle East, fraud is considered as criminality, and there's some different approach on it. Managing networks and agreement, that's, as I present to you, we are on the ecosystem that we can interconnect, of course, healthcare provider and payers. It's a key point, and it's a relevant point that we can observe that in Europe, all the health insurers, most of the health insurers are moving from the reimbursement role to a new role of health services provider, and that increased a lot. Specifically with providing prevention services or predictive approach to final client. We think also that you need some digital solutions, so a range of digital solutions to meet your digital strategy. I say in terms of client relationship, dematerialization, distribution, and also new services like prevention. That's it. And concerning the ability to adapt a changing regulatory environment, our position is that the technology should reduce and minimize the constraints to be compliant for an answer. And at least we also, as I say, we have different kind of client. We have small insurers and very large insurers, international insurers. So we need to provide modern services and oriented architecture to give to client the best capability to have some best of breed and best integration on the insurance enterprise systems. So, to summarize what our solution provide, it's a solution used by a range of organizations, and that gives us a huge flexibility. And as I present you our activity, we need a very highly configurability to address all that kind of client. We integrate our ecosystems. We are an integrated ecosystems solution for the health insurance. We do process of automation. We do full international support. We also do have some cost containment function, reporting, BI, digital services, and so on. And we do receive Excellent Functionality and Services Award this year, faced to 29 competitors on that platform. So this is just a view of some of our international clients. Maybe one remark about that that picture that you can see, Aetna and Cigna. Those are two American companies. Both of them are strongly competitors. They are using the same platform, our platform, but they are using differently because it's because of the configurable capacity of the platform. This is a picture of our presence, and you can observe that we are present in Romania, in Switzerland, in Italy, in Tunisia, in Morocco, Chile, United States, United Kingdom, Ireland, Spain, and France, with a quite good market share of 65%. I would like to conclude that presentation to say once again that we think that health insurance is a real opportunity in Romania with a huge potential, with some new regulation on corporate activity that's supporting that growth. And to support that strategy on the market, we not only offer a system, but an ecosystem, and we think that it's important on that approach. And we think that our technology is enabled to support efficiently and competitively that market evolution. Thank you.